Hello students, let us continue lesson number 10 and the topic is what will you do? So some questions are there. Let me answer the question. First question is if somebody wastes water in school. If somebody wastes water in the school, I will try to stop and make him understand the value of water, that water is life. Number 2, question is if the ground is littered, I will pick up the garbage and put it in the dustbin. Third question is if your friend damages the plants, I will prevent him from causing the damage to the plant and make him understand that the plants take in CO2 from the atmosphere and give back oxygen. Next question is if the washroom of your school is not clean, I would bring the matter in the notice of responsible person. Also, I would make efforts to explain students to maintain cleanliness in the washroom. Next question is if someone scribbles on the wall in the school, I will stop him from scribbling on the wall and make him understand that the school is a public property, a property of the society and a nation. It is built from the public money and therefore we should not cause any damage to it by writing or carving on the walls of the school. Next question is if somebody cuts a tree, I will prevent him from cutting a tree and make him understand that the trees are our friends. Cutting of the trees causes harm to environment. Therefore, we should not cut the trees. And the last question is if someone baths their animals on the bank of a river or a lake, I will stop him from bathing their animals on the bank of a river or a lake and make him understand that such act pollutes water. Polluted water is not fit for drinking or domestic uses. Now children, next is you can see picture 10.4. How much water is wasted. So please go through the picture and you can see that we should not waste the water but we should save the water. Next is, this is the picture you can see and the message is that save the water. Now the next is in 1 hour, in all the 3 places, water equal to the amount in the third tumbler get wasted. If in the third tumbler there is 2 liters of water, then some calculate and note down. Student, in 1 hour into 2 liters equal to 2 liters water wasted. So this chart is given here. So this is homework for you. Next, approximately even 4 liters of water is enough for a person for 1 day. This 4 liters is excluding water used for bathing. Now consider how much water is wasted from a dipping tap. Our property, our money. Protect memorials, monuments and public places. Our monuments are our pride. Our money is used for the upkeep of the public memorials. Forest, lakes, rivers, wild birds and animals are our common property. Preserving these public places is our duty. Conserving the environment is our duty. Preserving public places is everyone's responsibility. Taking care of public property is everyone's duty. Government property is our common property. It is a crime to damage a bus or train to fulfill our demands. Along with using public property, we should preserve it too. Now, student, I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you.